Hello, digital entrepreneurs. Are you ready to unleash your e-commerce potential, accept credit cards and boost sales? In this video, we'll explore the power of credit card processing and how it can revolutionize your e-commerce game. Stick around until the end because we've got some game-changing insights to share. But before we get started, if you find this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a message down below. Your support means the world to us. As online shopping continues to soar, offering convenient and secure payment options has never been more crucial. One such option that can significantly impact your business's growth is accepting credit cards. The power of credit card processing. Integrating credit card processing provides customers with a seamless and convenient way to pay for their purchases, enhancing their shopping experience. This builds trust and credibility, leading to repeat business and referrals. Merchant accounts and merchant processing. To accept credit card payments, a merchant account and reliable processing solution are vital. Credit card processing securely authorizes and captures funds, ensuring smooth, secure transactions. Navigating high-risk transactions. For high-risk industries like CBD and credit repair, a specialized payment gateway is crucial. This taps into untapped markets and processes payments for riskier products. E-commerce and credit card processing. In e-commerce, credit card processing is non-negotiable. It reduces friction, enabling secure and efficient transactions within the online shopping environment. Empowering CBD and credit repair businesses. CBD and credit repair businesses face unique challenges, but with the right payment processing solutions, they can provide reliable payment experiences. Seamless online transactions. Efficient credit and debit card processing ensures sensitive data encryption, minimizing fraud risk. A well-integrated gateway reduces card abandonment. Maximizing opportunities with credit cards. Credit card payment gateways open doors to a global customer base, enabling real-time transactions that foster trust and loyalty. Before we wrap up, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on valuable insights. And for cutting-edge payment solutions tailored to today's businesses, head over to TouchSuite's website. Trusted by over 50,000 companies worldwide for over 20 years, TouchSuite is your go-to payments provider. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, embracing innovative payment solutions can set you ahead of the curve in the e-commerce world. Here's to your success. Until next time.